Hey there and welcome to this tutorial on how to import a character and animations from Mixamo into After Effects. We'll take a trip through Blender and FBX Converter, links in the description. Mixamo is a great resource for 3D characters and animations, and Blender is a powerful 3D modeling and animation software. By combining the two, you can create amazing animations and characters for your projects. So, let's get started. The first step is to choose a character from Mixamo's library. Mixamo has a vast selection of characters that you can choose from, so take your time to browse through them and find the one that suits your project's needs. After you have customized your character, you can choose an animation from Mixamo's library. Mixamo has a vast selection of animations that you can choose from, so again, take your time to browse and find the one that suits your project's needs. Once you have chosen your character and animation, you can download them as an FBX file. Make sure to select the FBX for 7.4 option as it is compatible with Blender. Next, you will want to run the FBX file through Autodesk FBX Converter to extract the colors and texture files for later use. Now it's time to import your character and animation into Blender. Open Blender and delete any items currently showing on the screen. Now, select File from the top menu. Then select Import and choose FBX. Navigate to the location where you downloaded your character and animation and select the FBX file. Make sure to select Import Animations to import the animation with the character. After importing your character and animation, you need to scroll to the end of the animation and make a note of the last frame number. With that number in mind, head to File, Export, Wavefront OBJ. Type a name for your character and use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the window to move down to Animation. Verify that the Animation Export option is checked and that the start and end frame numbers are correct. Once that is confirmed, press the Export Wavefront OBJ button and it is time to move to After Effects. Open After Effects and start a new composition. Place a solid layer in the composition and select Video Copilot's Element 3D from your effects panel. Apply that to your solid layer and click the Scene Setup button to launch Element 3D. Inside of Element 3D, you will want to add the 3D sequence that you exported from Blender. Head to the folder you exported the sequence to and select the first frame and click Open. Click the checkmark to make it normal size. You should now see your character and they should have all their color and textures properly displayed. If your character is showing up without any color or texture, simply select the character from the Scene tab and add the texture elements that you extracted with Autodesk FBX Converter. Congratulations! You have successfully imported a character and animation from Mixamo into After Effects. Now you can use this character and animation to create amazing animations for your projects. That's it for this tutorial on how to import a character and animations from Mixamo into After Effects. We hope you found it helpful and that you can now use this knowledge to create amazing animations for your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.